called you late last night. You see, I was falling into love. Yes, I was crashing into love. Of all the words you said to me about life, the truth and being free, yeah, you sang to me. Oh, you sang to me. Girl, I live for how you make me feel, so I question all this being real. Cause I'm not afraid to love. For the first time, I'm not afraid to love. This day seems made for you and me, and you show me what life needs to be. Yeah, you sang to me. Oh, you sang to me. All the while you were in front of me, I never realized. I just can't believe I didn't see it in your eyes. I didn't see it. I can't believe it. Oh, but I feel it when you sing to me. How I long to hear you sing beneath the clear blue skies. And I promise you this time I'll see it in your eyes. I didn't see it. I can't believe it. Oh, but I feel it when you sing to me.
Go now, Once again from Heavy Time of Production, straight from Australia. Coming to you live with the one and only Chelsea by now. Are you ready? My man Messi in the house tonight. Let's go.
Just to think you live inside me, I had no idea that this could be. And I'm crazy for your love. Can't believe I'm crazy for your love. The words you said to me, and you show me where I want to be. You said to me, oh, you said to me.
Here we go, listen. My world is changing, time to turn back time. I was fighting hard, always trying to make you mine. Now I'm crazy, good for you, time to fly. You gave me wings, you gave me love, now girl you're mine. Your kindness, your loving, you changed my life around. I promise I love you, be here till the end of time. Please tell me if you ever change your mind. I'm always here to listen, share whatever's on your mind.
While you were in front of me,